If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your in-game audio settings are configured correctly. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Audio section, and verify that the output device is set to the correct option, e.g. headphones or speakers. Adjust the volume levels and ensure that any sound enhancements are disabled. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to check for and install the latest audio drivers for your system. Restart your computer after updating. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in the system tray and select Sounds. In the Playback tab, select your audio device and click Properties. Under the Advanced tab, change the default format to a lower sample rate, e.g. 16-bit 44100 HD, and check the option for Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click OK to apply changes. Step 4. Disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with game performance and audio. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that use audio resources, such as music players or communication apps. Step 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio desync. Open the game launcher like Origin or Steam, navigate to Apex Legends, and use the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for and replace any missing or corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.